Are you looking for the best water flossers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water flossers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. The Waterpik Aquarius is our top choice for its effective, gentle cleaning, ideal for those with sensitive gums or early-stage gum recession. It offers a great daily alternative for anyone uncomfortable with traditional string floss. In testing, it consistently flushed out debris from between teeth and along the gum line, often visibly, leaving teeth noticeably cleaner and making follow-up string flossing easier and less uncomfortable. Testers appreciated the wide range of pressure settings, which made it easy to customize comfort and intensity without sputtering. This dentist-recommended water flosser is louder than cordless models and can splash at high pressure, so it's best used over a sink. Product details. Dimensions: 10.8 by 5.25 by 6 inches, reservoir size, 22 ounces, pressure settings, 10 attachment nozzles, 7 extra features, built-in timer. Number 2. Aquasonic Aqua Flosser. We were initially impressed with the price of the Aquasonic Aqua Flosser, and it turned out to be an excellent dentist-recommended water flosser. It excels in ergonomics, featuring a comfortable handle and an easy-to-use on-off switch for quick setting changes. While it has only 3 pressure settings, they are effective, and we particularly like the pulse mode, which effectively removes debris between teeth. The large tank size is especially impressive for a cordless model, as it allows for a full cleaning session without needing a refill. Product details. Dimensions: 3 by 4 by 10 inches, reservoir size, 150 milliliters, pressure settings, 3 attachment nozzles, 4 extra features, includes travel pouch. Number 3. Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 5000. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 5000 is an excellent choice for individuals with braces, thanks to its impressive cleaning efficiency. After using it following a nacho snack, our mouths felt thoroughly clean. The setup process was simple. We plugged in the base, filled the reservoir, and attached the lid without any issues. The clear instructions included helpful tips for using the flosser with braces. This dentist-recommended water flosser features a clean mode, a deep clean mode, and 10 intensity settings, making it very versatile. Switching between pressure settings was also easy. Product details. Dimensions: 5.32 by 5.91 by 9.92 inches, reservoir size, 550 milliliters, pressure settings, 10 attachment nozzles, 3 extra features, magnetic dock with auto shut-off. Number 4. Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. The Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser effectively removes plaque and debris in a compact, cordless design. Testers noted cleaner and smoother teeth after use, with many flossing more often due to its convenience. It features a single rotating nozzle and 2 pressure settings, gentle and deep clean, that are easy to adjust. While slightly bulkier than some options, it's comfortable to hold and maneuver, and the rotating tip helps reach tight areas. The USB charging base allows for upright charging, making it ideal for small bathrooms and travel. Replacement nozzles are needed every 3 months, adding to long-term costs, but Quip offers a simple, effective cordless solution that maintains strong cleaning power. Product details. Dimensions: 9.29 by 3.78 by 2.64 inches, reservoir size, 150 milliliters, pressure settings, 2 attachment nozzles, 1 extra features, magnetic charging cable. Number 5. Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 Professional. The Sonic Fusion 2.0 is a convenient electric toothbrush and water flosser combo that lets you brush, floss, or do both simultaneously. It features a compact design with a large reservoir, making it an attractive addition to your bathroom. We found it effective and easy to use, leaving our mouths feeling fresh and clean. The user-friendly interface includes a pressure control dial and handheld settings for seamless switching between brushing and flossing, saving you time without needing separate devices. Product details. Dimensions: 10.9 by 5.25 by 6 inches. Reservoir size: 16 ounces. Pressure settings: 10. Attachment nozzles: 2. Extra features: built-in timer, travel case, recharge indicator.